everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today is more The Italian Unbox It. Look what I've got. Ooh, a Robotime pinball machine. So excited, so excited. I cannot wait. This is very exciting. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that I'm obsessed with Robotime. And oh my God, when I saw that they came out with a pinball machine, no, I had to do it. As a girl, growing up in the 80s, I had to have a pinball machine. So cool, so cool. And I'm so excited. I'm going to start opening it. But before I do that, I just want to let you know, I would like to talk a little bit about Robotime. They are a Chinese company that are building all these beautiful 3D laser cut wood puzzles, whatever you want to call them, but they're amazing. And they go under two brands. They've got Rokr, which is all the mechanical stuff, and they build things like this. Oh, so cool. I love it. Oh, this was so much fun and it's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. And then there's the Raw Life brand, which builds all the cute little things. And this is a music box. Oh, they're so adorable, so much fun to build. And it's basically like Lego with wood, but incredible. They work and they fit and they look amazing. But let's not faff about and get this beauty opened. And I can't believe it. It's all made with laser cut wood and it works. It's a proper pinball machine. Oh, are you ready for this? Oh, this is extremely exciting. Very, very exciting. Here we go. This is amazing. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, can you see these little elephants? Oh, they're little tiny elephants. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh, this is adorable. Look at all this wood. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look at all these pieces. I will need supervision building this. I'm not to be trusted with all of this complicated stuff. Oh, look at all these pieces. Oh, this is amazing. The instructions are really good usually. Ah, this is extremely cool. I just cannot wait to start building it. There's the list of all the things that are inside the box. All the little pieces. I guess these are all the electronic connections. Oh. Oh my God. All the electronic stuff. This is so cool. Oh my God, I'm just about to explode. all the connections. Oh. I guess he's USB powered. Oh. Oh my God, little screws. And the board. This screwdriver. Now I'm scared. Oh my God, looks complicated, but it's going to be so much fun. Don't even know where I'm going to put it, but yeah, it's going to be good. That's going to be so much fun. So there are 482 pieces, and it's going to be 27.5 centimeters by 47.5 by 28. Oh, so cool. So cool. The little sandpaper, so cute. Look, it's adorable. Ooh. I guess these are the ramps for the balls. There's so much wood, so much wood. The details are incredible. Really, really nice. I cannot wait to start building. A little bit overwhelmed today. Oh, look at these. Oh, yes, that is the board. So this is probably the size that it's going to be. Obviously a little bit bigger because it's going to be the back. Because yeah, that's going to be the back. Oh, very, very cool. The little tool to help you, and oh my God, and this is all the wood. It smells incredible. It smells incredible, and I cannot wait to put it all together, but for that we need to wait. But oh, these are all the bits. It's gonna take forever to put it together, but I'm very, very excited and up to the challenge. And as I said, I will probably need supervision because me with electronics, a little bit dangerous. But here it is. This is the box of the Rokr pinball machine, the brand new pinball machine. Oh, I hope you liked it so far. And then we're going to be putting it together and have a go. Ha! But for that, you need to wait. Well, thank you so much for watching for now. Take care. Bye bye.